What does an offshore accident lawyer do? An offshore accident lawyer handles legal cases related to accidents and injuries that occur in offshore environments. When should I hire an offshore accident lawyer? Hire an offshore accident lawyer if you're injured in an offshore incident or need legal help with offshore accident claims. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist after an oil rig accident? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can help with legal matters related to oil rig accidents. What types of cases do offshore accident lawyers handle? Offshore accident lawyers handle cases involving maritime injuries, platform accidents, vessel collisions, and more. Do I need an offshore accident lawyer if I'm injured while working offshore? Yes, it's important to have an offshore accident lawyer to protect your rights and pursue compensation for injuries. How can an offshore accident lawyer help with Jones Act claims? An offshore accident lawyer can help you file a Jones Act claim, ensuring you receive appropriate compensation under this federal law. Can an offshore accident lawyer handle cases involving maritime wrongful death claims? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle maritime wrongful death cases on behalf of the victim's family. What should I do immediately after an offshore accident? Seek medical attention, report the accident to your employer, gather evidence, and consult an offshore accident lawyer. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist with insurance claims after an accident? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can help you navigate insurance claims and ensure you receive fair compensation. How can an offshore accident lawyer help with offshore drilling accidents? An offshore accident lawyer can investigate the accident, assess liability, and help you seek compensation for offshore drilling accidents. Are offshore accident lawyers experienced in maritime law? Yes, offshore accident lawyers have expertise in maritime law, which is crucial for offshore injury cases. Can an offshore accident lawyer represent me in court if needed? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can represent you in court for offshore accident-related cases. What sets a top-tier offshore accident lawyer apart? A top-tier offshore accident lawyer has a strong track record, extensive experience, and in-depth knowledge of offshore law. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with offshore platform injuries? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can assist with legal matters involving injuries on offshore platforms. Can an offshore accident lawyer handle cases involving maritime property damage? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases related to maritime property damage claims. How can I find a reputable offshore accident lawyer? Research online, ask for referrals, and check reviews to find a reputable offshore accident lawyer. Can an offshore accident lawyer handle cases involving commercial diving accidents? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle legal matters related to commercial diving accidents. What's the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act, OCSLA, and how does it relate to offshore accident lawyers? OCSLA is a federal law that extends some protections to workers on the Outer Continental Shelf. Offshore accident lawyers often handle cases under this law. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with maritime contract disputes? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can provide legal representation and guidance in maritime contract disputes. How long does it typically take to resolve an offshore accident case? The time to resolve an offshore accident case varies based on the complexity of the case, negotiations, and legal proceedings. Can an offshore accident lawyer handle cases involving platform explosions? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle legal matters related to platform explosions. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with vessel collisions? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases involving vessel collisions and seek compensation for injuries or damages. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist with offshore construction accidents? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can provide legal help for offshore construction accidents. What damages can I recover in a successful offshore accident case? You may recover damages for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related losses in a successful offshore accident case. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with maritime pollution cases? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle legal matters related to maritime pollution claims. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist with offshore wind farm accidents? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases involving accidents at offshore wind farms. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with maritime liens and vessel arrests? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can assist with maritime liens and vessel arrests in cases involving outstanding debts or disputes. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with offshore platform safety violations? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases involving offshore platform safety violations. Can an offshore accident lawyer help me if I'm a maritime worker injured on the job? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can help maritime workers injured on the job seek compensation and protect their rights. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist with international offshore accidents? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases involving international offshore accidents. Can an offshore accident lawyer help with offshore well blowout cases? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can provide legal assistance in cases involving offshore well blowouts. Can an offshore accident lawyer assist with maritime insurance disputes? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle legal matters related to maritime insurance disputes. Can an offshore accident lawyer help me if I'm a passenger injured on an offshore vessel? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can help passengers injured on offshore vessels seek compensation. Can an offshore accident lawyer handle cases involving recreational boating accidents? Yes, an offshore accident lawyer can handle cases involving recreational boating accidents that result in legal disputes. How can I schedule a consultation with a reputable offshore accident lawyer? Contact the lawyer's office to schedule a consultation, during which you can discuss your case and receive legal advice.